This is a 2015 ML250. Today I'm making a video on guys who do not have special tool to release the parking brake, to change the brake pad. So I'm using a piece of wire and a booster pad, and I already find which is the power and the ground. So I'm going to energize it and release the brake. You can feel the brake releasing when the caliper get loose. If you put the other way, you will feel the caliper get tight and the rotor wouldn't turn. So you energize it, you can hear the motor, and you can feel the caliper releasing. You can also use a screwdriver to feel if the yeah, 1 second. Sorry, 1 second. See, like that, the caliper is already releasing. So keep energizing it until you get the caliper to actually release. See, like that, caliper is releasing already. Okay.
My car same thing with the power too?
Yeah, same.
Wow.
So this is the only way to release this.
If the tool not too expensive, buy it.
Yeah, we can.
And then we can charge more money. We do like that, the customer see scared, he's scared. I saw it, yeah. Yeah, go to check the guy, person look at it.
Alright.
And then
Okay. So for you guys who do not have the tool like I do, well, this is the way you can go. You cannot do any damages to it. So it's you don't need to worry about getting anything damaged or anything. You just power and ground and you release it like that. Okay? So that's it. You can change your brake pad and it will automatically energize and tighten back for itself after you start it. Okay? Thank you. Bye.